Alright guys, I'm Mr. John, got the Nitsky Pro Shop. We're gonna go live. It is 101 on Christmas. Type live on the post. 101 and 101. We will grab the list up top. Drop it in. 10 entries. And we will get rid of these spaces quick. Alright. We'll get rid of this extra space. Alright, 10 entries. We're looking for 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4, it's not high enough. 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 6. 6 times. Top spot wins. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 times. Dice is a 6. Next click. Top spot. And 6. Congrats to John. Spot number 2. You are the winner. We are done. 102. We will go back. We will type done on the post. We are done. 102 and 102. Here is the timestamp and verification.